Hey everyone, I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing located at 175 North Sunnyvale Avenue. This home features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and an expansive basement downstairs. This home has it all, with its outdoor oasis, proximity to local Silicon Valley companies, and walking distance to downtown Sunnyvale. Come with me and let's take a look to see if this could be your next future home. Now that we've had a chance to see the home, let's take a quick walk over to downtown Sunnyvale. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of 175 North Sunnyvale Avenue. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a showing, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I look forward to seeing you at the open house this weekend.